Assalamu alaikum class, how are you? Fourth class, how are you? Hope you are fine. Okay, today we are starting our chapter number 2 from page number 20. You have to remember 4 things before starting this chapter. There are 4 rules to start this chapter. The first rule is any number, if there is a 3-digit number, there are the numbers 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. If any number with 0 whose last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the unit places, so that number will be divided by 2. The number will be divisible by 2. If a number is 7, 42, so unit, hundred, tens and hundreds, if in its unit place it is 2, so the number is from any number 0 to 4, 6, 8, so the number will be divided by 2. The number will be divisible by 2, so the number will be even. And the second rule is, before the second rule, we will clear the third and fourth rule. Any number with 0 or 5 at the unit place, it will be divisible by 5. The number whose unit place is 0 or 5, that number will be divisible by 5. If any number whose last digit is 0, that number will be divisible by 10. For example, for divisibility test of 5, if there is for example, the number is 95, the last digit and the number at its unit place, that is 5 or 0, this number is divisible by 5. You just have to tell yes, this is divisible by 5. If the number is 100, or you can say 150, the last digit is 0, this number is also divisible by 5. Now see, for 10, if the number is 100, 1000, 900, 500, 400, 410, 990, any number that ends with the last digit and the digit at its 0 place is 0, the number will be divisible by 10. Now come to the second rule. Which numbers are divisible by 3? For example, we have a number 624. Any number that is 624, if we add up its all digits as 6 plus 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2 it's 8, 8 plus 4 it's 12. Now see, is 12 divisible by 3? 3 4s are 12. Yes, if it's all the added digits are divisible by 3, so this whole number is also divisible by 3. You just have to tell yes, this number is divisible by 3. Now you have to come towards the exercise 2a. We will start exercise 2a. Now we will start exercise 2a from question number 4. The first 3 questions we will solve them after completing the exercise. You have to tell which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. Which of the following numbers? As you know that you learn in the first rule, any number whose last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, that number is divisible by 2. You just have to see the last digits. If the last digits are even or 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then these numbers are divisible by 2. This one is also divisible by 2. This one is also. See, the last digit is 7. This is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is not divisible by 2. Similarly, you have to see all the numbers and you have to tell yes about them, which numbers are divisible by 2. Now come to the question number 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? You have to, I solved one question for you. 624 over here. Now you have to solve the other 3 questions to tell whether these numbers are divisible by 3. You have to add up all these digits and then you have to tell whether that number is divisible by 3 or not. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? What was the test? What was to remember about the number of 5? If the last digit is 0 or 5, just two things. Last is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Last digit is 0, yes, divisible by 5. Last digit is 4, it's not 0 or 5, so this number could not be divisible by 5. Clear? Now come on the next page, page number 23. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? See, if the digit at its unit place is 0, then that numbers are divisible by 10. The last digit is not 0, not divisible by 10. Last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 10. Clear? You have to do question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. You have to practice these questions. So just question number 3 will be done on your notebook. Other 2 questions you have to mark them on your book. Clear? Today's task is only 4 questions.